What's up guys, in this video I will show you the 6 crypto coins that changed the game in the crypto market. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so we will be toggling to 6 different websites. All of those will be in the description of the video. That way when you do your own research, which we always encourage you to do so, you can just go ahead and click on the links. It will take you directly to this one. Alright, so this is Messari guys. We'll start with this one. So for Messari guys, they address the critical need for transparency and trust in the cryptocurrency market by empowering the investors, the researchers, and the devs or the developers themselves to make the best decisions when they have like something that they would need to decide on. All right, so another one guys is that their data-driven approach and commitment to provide accurate information have significantly improved the level of professionalism and accountability with the ecosystem. So that is Messari.com. Go ahead and check them out. Next in line will be, of course, right, Ethereum. All right, so, well, you know, this is one of the well-known crypto out there, along with Bitcoin, of course. One of the things that has revolutionized with blockchain landscape with the introduction of smart contracts, the ability to develop decentralized applications as well. And they also transitioned into the Ethereum 2.0, which actually from proof of work, they transitioned to proof of stake, which in my honest opinion makes a lot of sense because they can reward the ones that have invested in them or invested in the Ethereum network. All right, so that is Ethereum guys. You can go ahead and check out their website as well. There are a lot of information that you could still go ahead and research on. This is something that you could really rely on. And in my honest opinion, guys, this is rug pull proof. All right, and the next one would be the Aptos Lab. And as you could see on your screen, they are introducing Petra Mobile already. It is available in Google Play and App Store for Apple users out there. Their advanced algorithms and deep learning models have expedited the disease identification, improved treatment effectiveness, and then enhanced the overall patient outcomes. And there are a lot of different information here that you could go ahead and check out as well. All right, so they are committed to developing products and applications on the Aptos blockchain. All right, guys, so next in line would be Uniswap. This is one of the most famous DEX or decentralized exchanges in the crypto industry. So this is widely known in the crypto industry, built on the Ethereum blockchain. All right, so Uniswap's unique approach to liquidity provision based on smart contracts and user contributed liquidity pools has eliminated the need for intermediaries and opened up decentralized finance a wider audience. And you could go ahead and check out the ecosystem here. And of course, I would highly encourage you to check out the frequently asked questions, because if you are new and looking for something like projects like this to invest on, you could go ahead and go straight to the frequently asked questions, because those are like the most basic things as well as the advanced information that you could go ahead and check out for you to have a guided decision before entering or investing into a project. So this is Uniswap. In my honest opinion, this is one of the best, if not the best, decentralized exchange out there that you could use when swapping your tokens. All right, and then next one on the list, guys, this is one of my favorite networks simply because the gas fees is not that high. It's cheap. Basically, it's cheap, right? Just like the Binance Smart Chain, wherein, you know, the gas fees are really cheap compared to Ethereum has an insanely expensive gas fee. So Polygon is formerly known as the Matic network. Okay, so just a tidbit of information for that one. And it is a scaling solution for Ethereum that addresses the blockchain's scalability and usability challenges, because previously, guys, Ethereum has experienced traffic, basically delays and all those bad stuff in terms of like processing transactions, where it takes days before that transaction can be successfully processed. Now that is being addressed, or that has been addressed by the Polygon network. So Polygon has significantly improved the transaction speeds and reduced the fees on the Ethereum network. Okay, so this has made the decentralized applications, otherwise known as the DApps, you know, when you use like play to earn games and all those good stuff, those are examples of DApps. Therefore, attracting more developers and enhancing the overall user experience. And that is the reason why they have a lot of games in there, the quality games. You can also go ahead and check out, you know, the Blockchain Monster Hunt is one play to earn game that I play that is available in Polygon. All right, and then the next one is Decentralized. All right, so this is one of the most famous, in my honest opinion, famous virtual reality platform built on the Ethereum blockchain. All right, so it is basically one of the pioneers with metaverse, and by far, in my opinion, one of the most successful to date. All right, most successful metaverse that is out there to date. And then decentralized immersive virtual world is revolutionized by social interaction. You have gaming, you have digital ownership, you have creating new games as well as also available there, creating new avenues for artists, developers, and entrepreneurs to showcase their creativity and generate income. So that is Decentraland. Go ahead and check it out as well. And of course, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. Stay around until the end screen. Go ahead and check out the rest of the other videos that we have in the channel. That's it for me now. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.